Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, the face unlock feature here works correct. Not so fast, but that's just okay. Just a couple of seconds and you can unlock your device. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful and don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the fingerprint or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.